Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to buy storage for your OneDrive account. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to do it, we have created a video regarding that as well. At the bottom left corner of the screen, as you can see, my storage is only 5 GB. And right now, let's say I want to upgrade it. Do you know that you can simply upgrade your storage by clicking on this Buy Storage button right here. In context that you do not find this, at the top right here is a diamond-like icon as well, right next to Settings. If you click on it, as you can see, this thing will pop up. Likewise, if you don't find this as well, just hit on Settings right here. Under the OneDrive Settings option, you can see something like Upgrade as well. Click on it. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Do you know that right now, we want to get more storage? So let's focus on this Storage Summary option. Just below it, you can see a button like this that says Get More Storage. Click on it right now. Now as you can see, it's giving you a few options like Microsoft Basic, Personal or Family. Well, it's up to you. Select whichever one you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna select the Microsoft Basic. I'm gonna hit on Buy Now. Do you know that in order to buy Microsoft subscription, what you guys need to do is simply add a new payment method. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna add a debit or credit card. Simply enter all your details and hit on Save. And once everything's okay, simply hit on Next and follow the prompts. And guys, that's it. That way, you can buy more storage for your OneDrive account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.